फ्रेंड्स, मेरा ना एक सपना है कि जब भी मैं सुबह उठूं, कर्टेन हटा के अपनी बालकनी से बाहर देखूं तो वहां पे ना एक बहुत बड़ा सा गोल्फ कोर्स हो जिसके सराउंडिंग में काफ़ी सारे पेड़ लगे हों एंड इट शुड लुक एंटायरली ग्रीन एंड सूदिंग टू माई आईज। और मैं वहां पे अपनी बालकनी में बैठ के मॉर्निंग टी एंजॉय करूं और साथ ही साथ उस गोल्फ कोर्स के व्यू को एंजॉय करूं। उसके बाद थोड़ी देर बाद रेडी होके मैं उस गोल्फ कोर्स में रनिंग के लिए जाऊं और प्रोबेबली वीकली ऑफ में कभी कभार गोल्फ भी खेलूं एंड इनवाइट माई फ्रेंड्स टू प्ले गोल्फ विद मी। If you also have such kind of a dream, then please stay tuned with me till the end because I have brought a new residential project for you by Godrej in Sector 27 Greater Noida, just adjacent to the JP Greens. I'm sure you must have heard about it. So let's go directly to the site. Friends, this is the golf course I was talking about. This is a 9-hole golf course on a 20-acre land parcel. This is a fully functional golf course already. There are villas and apartments surrounding this golf course. This is a 100-acre township consisting of only 2100 units. Its FAR is 0.8%. It is lowest in Delhi NCR. FAR means floor area ratio. There are only 25 units per acre, so those people who are looking for least dense and more green residence, then this is the heaven for them. Okay friends, now let's talk about some features of this project. Plot area is 100 acres, FAR is 0.8, lowest in Delhi NCR, 4500 trees in township, 3 side road and 5 entry gates adjacent to JP Greens. Delta metro station is 400 meters, Greater Noida Authority metro station is 800 meters. Situated at the heart of Greater Noida, 3 major expressways connectivity, airport is 25 minutes, 8 cluster club houses and 1 master clubhouse of 1.5 lakh square feet area having Olympic size swimming pool and temperature controlled swimming pool. 9-hole golf course already operational, 1.8 kilometer walkway path in golf course. Friends, अब हम एक 4 BHK का सैम्पल फ्लैट देखेंगे which is situated in a low rise tower of 7 floors. This is a tower entrance. It is a double height entrance lobby with a waiting lounge. There will be 2 lifts and 4 flats per floor. The flats which we are going to see is a 4 BHK flat with servant room having an area of 2276 square feet. This is the entrance with a foyer. This is a big living cum dining room. There is beautiful balcony attached to this living room. You can have such a beautiful barbecue arrangement for an evening party. And there is a wide area left open in front of the tower which adds to the openness of the environment. Let's go back inside and have a look at the kitchen this time. Dining table, I must say, is beautifully crafted for this particular space. It is a well fit. Now this is your kitchen. It is a fully loaded kitchen with wooden work all around, giving you plenty of storage space. It has already accommodated a huge refrigerator. This is a utility balcony having washing machine with some cupboards. And this is a servant room, temporarily converted into a very small gym. It has a direct entry from the corridor. And it has a toilet of its own. Now let's move more deeper into the apartment, and this is a common washroom. Having beautiful space management, everything on one wall and rest is moving space. This is how it should be. This is the first bedroom. Ideally it is for the grandparents, having two chairs inside the room, two outside the balcony, a big TV, wardrobe, bedside table, and a personal toilet. Whom else do you think this room belongs to? This is the second bedroom, and surely it is for your kids. A study table, no TV, access to the common toilet, wardrobe, and a balcony. It has got everything what it takes to be a study room. Now finally, this is the third and the master bedroom of this flat. It is the most spacious, of course. Godrej takes care of the masters always. They know exactly how to please the ones who are going to pay. Having a sofa, a separate dressing table, a separate dressing area, master toilet, a workstation, TV, and a big balcony with a wide open and amazing view. This is the last bedroom and it is a guest bedroom or an office room for work from home. It has an attached toilet but no balcony, but only window for natural light to come in. Now finally let's talk about the pricing and available options in this project. Friends, in this project we get 3 kinds of residences: suites, 3-4 BHK apartments and villas. 975 square feet suite cost 95 lakh, possession March 23. 1450 square feet suite cost 1.30 crore, possession March 23. Now apartments. 3 BHK apartment 1785 square feet area cost 1.85 crore, possession March 23. Next, 3 BHK plus servant 1888 square feet area cost 1.95 crore, possession March 23. Next, 4 BHK 2276 square feet area cost 2.25 crore, possession March 23. This is the flat we just saw. Now villas. 125 square yard villa cost 2.95 crore, possession September 22. Next, 1000 square yard villa 25 crore cost, possession Jan 2024. Rest all villas are completely sold. Friends, let me tell you that this project is bit delayed, but for now final possession dates I have already mentioned, which you can consider before taking a decision. Also, according to me, this project is in the final stage, so it will not be good for investors, at least for now, but definitely it is a good buy for end users. This will be the first delivered project of Godrej in Noida and Greater Noida. So Godrej will take extra precautions in construction quality and post-possession maintenance services, because it will make or break the reputation of Godrej company in entire Noida market. If you want to come for a site visit or book an apartment or villa in Godrej Golf Link at the best price, then do contact me on my given number. Me and my team will be glad to help you. Finally, if you like this video, then please like the video and subscribe my channel to see the next hot project in Noida. Also, if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or WhatsApp me personally. Goodbye friends, see you in the next video. Bye bye.